What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are continuing on the connections, actually the code that I was doing in the last video. So now we're going to be going through the loop. We're going to be looking at the read sensor, the sensor information. Alright, so easy, just kind of, let's see. On-off switch state. This one's kind of difficult, but honestly, I don't know how this is going. On-off switch. I think this is that the pin? State. On-off switch state. But not pin, just this state. And we're going to set it to digital read. On-off switch state pin. No, not this one. This one here. Switch state pin. And then right after that, there's going to be a little bit of a delay. The delay is going to be 1. I think it's in milliseconds. And then after that, we're going to have a direction switch state. Direction switch state. Right here. Copy that. Paste it on there. It's going to equal again digital read. I really wish this did auto. Complete, you know. But it just doesn't do it that way, so. Direction switch state pin. Direction switch. Wait, what did I do? Accidentally. Okay. So we're gonna paste it on there, and might need to make this one a little bit wider. Right there. Oh, never mind. That was it. Never mind. I thought I was gonna have a second variable in the function like that, but that's all it is. Alright, next up we have motor speed and analog read. Motor speed, where's that at? Right here. We're going to be setting the motor speed to, you know, whatever we have it. Analog read. Analog read. And pop pin. The potentiometer, that's this little thing right here. Pop pin divided by 4. And that's it. As far as that goes, we're then going to go over to, we're going to check if it's on the state. So I'm assuming it's when the Arduino. If there's a difference between the current switch state and the previous, and the switch state is currently high, then invert. I just read that without thinking about it, so let me just go ahead and do it. Sometimes you just read and just read to read. Anyways, so we're gonna do this right here. On-off switch state. It's not difficult code, it's just that the variable names are really long. Like, I don't know what I think I would just call it O off SS. I don't know. Something short. Anyways, yeah, on-off switch state. And then there's gonna be an if statement inside of it, so let's just do the skeleton pretty much. And part of the skeleton is going to be this here. And so we have another if, which inside of that one there's a double equals. And then after that one, that's pretty much it. Then we go back, close that one. On-off switch state. Where is that at? On-off switch state right there. Running out of breath here. Trying to talk loud. For some reason, every time I edit it, It just sounds like I'm whispering or something. Previous on-off switch state. Previous, right here. Previous, yeah, like when I'm editing these videos, sometimes I talk really loud and you can see the wavelength of the voice and I could cut it perfectly. But sometimes I'm whispering, bro, and I can see like the waves aren't high enough, so it's like, am I talking? So I'm trying to scroll through the video quick so I can edit it quick. Motor, oh no, right here, it's if the on-off switch state is high, which one did I just copy? That's the wrong one. If this one, if it's on, that means, or high, which means on. If it's on, then what we're gonna do is, motor enabled. Oh, we're gonna have it false, I believe. Or we're just gonna switch it. So if true to false, if false to true. I think that's what that does. Motor enabled. Motor enabled. Like that. Motor enabled. Alright. That's that. As far as that goes. Next. Check for a change in direction. I'm assuming this is for the potentiometer. Let's look at the variables. I guess this is where it kind of comes in handy. I'd rather do comments though. Personally, no. If the variable name is more than like 6 characters, bro, that's a no-go. It just, after you have a lot of lines, like let's say 100 plus, it just gets confusing. I like comments that explain what the variable is doing and whatnot. Alright, so it looks like we have something else. Or is that the same thing? Oh no, it's very similar. It's very similar. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then I'm going to paste it. Right there. I'm going to paste it. And so, direction, switch state. Direction. I think it's going to be direction for the most part. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy direction. Previous direction, switch state. Previous. Boom. But this one's capitalized because it's camel case. It's the second letter. Direction, switch state. Change that as well. Motor enabled. Motor direction for both. Direction. And direction as well. I did forget to capitalize the D, so do that real quick. Alright, that's that for that one. Now all I gotta do is spin the motor. Spin the motor. Spin the motor. Okay, I've gotten to a... I'm gonna add a bunch of spaces here. And then I'll do it here. Okay. So, where was that? We have an if. Let's go ahead and put the condition in here. It's gonna be equals. And then it's gonna have a digital write. I don't think that was there it is. Digital write. Control pin. They're all control pin. Okay. Control pin. I'm not gonna put a number just yet. I'm just gonna have this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just copy it onto here. Like that. It's only 2. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna paste it down here. And then I'm gonna have the else. And then I could just delete this here. I still have the digital bright, I still have the control pin. So let's go ahead and work with the first one. The first one is motor direction. I don't have, it's been a while since I've typed, you know, fast for a long time, so it's I'm a little rusty with typing. Digital right control pin 1, and then 2, and 2. Not gonna lie, I'm getting lightheaded talking, bro. Am I that bad with my cardio? Damn, that might be a problem. Getting lightheaded while talking. It's only been like a 10-minute talk. Oh, this is switched up. Switched up, so boom. Low. Turn it off, turn it on. Okay, just switch them. Oh, motor direction. Which way I'm going. Alright, motor direction 1. Control pin 1. Else. Okay, that's all that we have for now and on the code. We'll continue some other video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.